7 best exercises to lose weight at home. So, here we would like to suggest to you the 7 best and popular exercise programs that you can practice at home and make yourself stronger, fitter and healthier. Aerobic exercises. Walking is considered one of the best weight loss exercises. Walking at a fast pace is a great exercise for burning calories. Exercise pattern. Set aside 1 hour of your time and include these exercises in your routine. 1. Start with walking exercise for 15 minutes. 2. Increase your pace and start jogging for the next 15 minutes. 3. With a constant increase in pace, run for another 15 minutes. 4. Reduce your pace and come back to jogging for 10 minutes. 5. Relax your body and slow down your pace and walk for 5 minutes. Skipping or jumping rope. Skipping exercise offers a complete body workout and helps increase your muscle strength, metabolism, and burn many calories in a short time. Exercise pattern. 1. On a flat surface, stand with your back straight. 2. Make sure your feet are together and pointing straight. 3. Keep your hands straight pointing downwards close to your thighs. 4. Jump off the ground and let your rope pass under your feet and bring it back. 5. Repeat these steps and increase your jumping speed constantly. Planks. Plank pose or plank exercise is one of the most effective full-body workouts. Exercise pattern. 1. Get down into the push-up or standard plank position. 2. Now bend your right knee and pull it towards your chest. 3. Push your right knee back to your initial position. 4. Now bend your left knee and get it towards your chest. 5. Push your left knee back to your initial position. 6. Continue the above steps around 20 to 25 times. Push-ups and pull-ups. Push-ups are one of the most popular exercises and it is a workout that can be done at any time, any place, and by anyone. Exercise pattern. 1. Look for anti-slippery and flat surfaces. 2. Place your hands facing forward and slightly wider than your shoulder width. 3. Set your feet together or slightly apart in a comfortable position. 3. Initially, you can keep your feet further apart until you find a proper balance. 4. Now bend your shoulders as low as possible towards the floor and push up back and straighten your arms. 5. Repeat these steps for 15 reps and 3 sets. Squats. Squat exercises are known as muscle strengthening exercises. The main aim of this exercise is to improve the lower part of the body. Exercise pattern. 1. Stand straight with your feet wider than your hip width with toes facing front. 2. By bending your knees and ankles, push your hips back. 3. Sit into a squat position by keeping your heels and toes on the ground. 4. Keep your knees bent to a 90-degree angle and pose yourself parallel to the floor. 5. Straighten your legs by pressing your heels and return to the standing position. Lunges. Lunges mainly focus on strengthening your back, hips, and legs. Exercise pattern. 1. Stand straight with your back and abs upright. 2. Bend your knee by keeping your right leg in the front. 3. Now, bend your knee until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and left one perpendicular. 4. Keep your front knee above your heel. 5. Come back and bring your feet together. 6. Repeat the above steps with your left leg. 7. 30 reps of alternate lunges are very helpful. Yoga. Yoga, a 5,000-year-old transcription, has proved to be an effective weight loss therapy. Some of the yoga poses that should be practiced for weight loss are: 1. Warrior pose. 2. Triangle pose. 3. Shoulder pose. 4. Bridge pose. 5. Bow pose. 6. Plank pose. 7. Downward dog pose. 8. Sun salutation. Thanks for watching.